Embryologist at Vrinda Fertility. I would like to congratulate everyone on this World IVF Day. World IVF Day is celebrated to mark the birth of Louis Brown, who was the world's first test tube baby. Soon after the birth of Louis Brown, India also reported its first test tube baby, Vrinda. IVF is such a boon for infertile couples who are battling infertility for such a long time. They have a hope of getting their own genetic child through this technology. Also, terminally ill patients, the ones who are suffering from cancers or ones who are post-chemotherapy patients, get a chance, get a ray of hope through this treatment. IVF has been greatly revolutionized in the last 10 to 15 years, which saw indigenous production of hormones and recombinants and drugs and newer technologies. More labs have come up in the country and there are now better reproductive scientists, more doctors. It has undergone a sea change. IVF costs have also been greatly reduced. It has now become within reach of even rural population of the country. That makes IVF a very preferred treatment by international patients as well. And with this advancement that IVF is seeing worldwide, we would like to offer the best in class fertility treatment here at Vrinda.